Hello everyone, welcome to the Dreamy Panda. I am Usha, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. To all the old subscribers, I am so sorry for taking such a long break. I haven't uploaded any video in the past 5 months, but I have a valid reason for this. So the good news is that I have moved to Canada. I am not in India anymore. The migration, the settlement, everything has taken a lot of my time and energy, and that is why I couldn't upload anything at all. But from now on, I'm promising you that I'll be more consistent in uploading content. Today we have a parcel from Happy Wagon India. So I've ordered a 2021 planner by Alicia Souza. If you have not heard of her, she's an illustrator based in Bangalore. She's often referred to as the happiness illustrator because all her work roams around spreading happiness and positive vibes. I personally enjoy her work a lot, and if you are into such doodles and art, do check out her profile. I'll tag the Instagram link to her profile in the description box below. So today I'm going to unbox it. I have the planner and also a set of surprise goodies I received from Happy Wagon. So let's see what's in there. As I open the box, the first object I see here is this tote bag. So this is a cute tote, and the work here is again by Alicia Souza, if you see. And this has pretty long handles. I really like that, and the bag is quite big. It's good enough to accommodate at least 4 or 5 hardcover books, so it's pretty big. So this is the first goodie here. The next one here is the planner itself. So this is the planner, and I'll open it later. Let's see what the free goodies are first. I'm very excited. So I see a set of 2 bookmarks, transparent bookmarks with long threads. The next one is stickers. So it's a set of puffy stickers sent by Happy Wagon. This is it. And next is a set of 2 notebooks, small notebooks. And again, you see the work here is by Alicia Souza. This is the other one. So both of these books are unruled. They are plain white books. These are good for writing small notes or simple to-do lists or budgets, or if you are into doodling, you can doodle a lot in these books. The next is a big book of stickers. This is again a product of Alicia Souza. So this is the book of stickers. Let's see how many we have. Oh, they are very cute. These are all the stickers. What I love about this book, these stickers, is that along with these stickers, I also have some plain white and black stickers which I can color and use. So that is again fun, some work to do. And the last one here is an A5 notebook. So this art is not by Alicia Souza, it's by Katie. So this is a specialty of Happy Wagon. Happy Wagon supports all the local artists and sells their products on their e-commerce site. So if you love such local artwork and these kind of goodies, you can also check Happy Wagon website, and you can use this website to order them internationally as well. So I'll add the link to Happy Wagon website as well in the description box below. Do check it out. So this again, like I was mentioning, it's an A5 notebook and it is a ruled notebook. These are all the goodies I got from Happy Wagon, and now it's time to see the planner. Drum rolls please. I actually have seen a sneak peek of the planner, but seeing it in person is obviously different. As I open the box, the first thing I see is the pocket planner. So this is a pocket planner with a monthly view. Yeah, there's a monthly view and just a small space for some extra notes. So this is the pocket planner, and the next one is a note from the illustrator about 2020. So I'm not going to show much of it because if you want to get the planner, this has to be a surprise. And then is the planner. So this is the planner, the Ultimate Planner 2021 by Alicia Souza. this has this thread lock, and as I open it, the first thing you notice is a space where you can write your name and draw a picture of yourself. And there are many stickers here, so I'm not going to show much of the inside of the planner. If possible, I'll probably do another video of it, but I'm not sure yet. So so these are the month tabs, so it's easy to navigate across the planner. And there are about some 10 plus pages of stickers here. So these are all the stickers. So this, and then there are many more of, there are many stickers, and for every month we do have a certain set of common spaces. So first, for the year, we have a budget planner. Let me just see where it is. So yeah, this is a budget planner for every month. And then we have a few things like goals for the year and steps to achieve the goals. And for every month, again, we have a monthly list of birthdays, the monthly goals, and also we do have a space where you can plan your monthly meal plan and stuff like this. So this is all about the planner. And at the end, again, we have some space for notes. So this is some space for notes. There's all these extra pages, and then thoughts of the year, best books I've read, best movies I've watched. So there is stuff like this. Additionally, there is also this bookmark. So this is a bookmark, and there's one extra bookmark thread. So these are the two bookmarks you have, and there is one small folder, a secret pocket at the end of the book to store some important papers or stuff like that. And finally, there is also the pen loop. So there is this pen loop. So this is all about the planner. I already am loving it. I'll see how it's going to be used this year. Last year it was pretty good. I almost filled every day with something or the other. So let's see how this year is going to be. I hope this planner brings a lot of happiness to my year. I wish each and every one of you a very happy new year. Hope this year brings you lots of happiness and you stay in health. And I hope everyone gets the liberty to walk around without masks on our faces anymore. So let's see how this year is going to treat us. And with that, I'm going to close this video. And before I sign off, I would like to clarify that this is not a sponsored video. This is something I'm doing out of my own interest. This is not sponsored by anyone. And if you want to get a planner for yourself, you can check out Alicia Souza's website. I'll add the link for that in the description box below. If you're shopping within India, you can use the Alicia Souza planner, the link to her personal website. And if you're shopping from anywhere out of India, you can use Happy Wagon's website. So I'll add the link to that as well in the description box below. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share this with your friends. And if you have any other planners that you use every year, or if there is anything that has come across your way, do let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to check them out. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in another video. Take care until then. Bye bye.